Hi guys, my name's Gill Meller. I'm a chef and food writer, and it's a beautiful autumn day. We're going to be cooking a wild mushroom, ham and blue cheese pizza. It's one of my favourites. I've just been up to the woods and gathered a basket of wild mushrooms. There's a few different varieties in there. But if you can't get out to the woods, or it's a different time of year, you can go to the farm shop or the greengrocers and get some cultivated mushrooms. The recipe works in exactly the same way. We've pulled over. I've got the Ooni Karu 12G fired up. It's incredibly portable, so we're going to cook right here. The first thing to do is cook the mushrooms. It might sound a bit mad, but it's well worth cooking them before they go on the pizza. Otherwise you get a soggy base and everything's just a little bit too wet. So what I do is pop a tray in the oven and get it nice and hot. Then slice the mushrooms and scatter them out over the hot tray. Thinly slice a couple of cloves of garlic and scatter those over. I trickle it with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a few thyme leaves, which is a wonderful herb to use as mushrooms. After about 4 or 5 minutes, the mushrooms will be wilted and soft, and they would have given up a lot of their moisture, so they'll be just right for scattering over the pizza. Now the mushrooms are cooked, we can think about shaping the dough and getting the pizza in the oven. I've made the dough already. It's had a cold prove, which means it's been in the fridge overnight. It's developed a lot more flavour that way. I've got a very simple tomato sauce here, which I'm going to spoon generously over the dough, just bringing it round to the edges. A few cubes of mozzarella get scattered over the tomato, and then I'm going to go in with my mushrooms. So we're going to take a quarter of these roasted mushrooms and scatter them out all over the surface of the pizza. I've got this beautiful air-dried ham from a local deli. I'm just going to tear that up and layer it around the mozzarella and the mushrooms. You don't need too much, a little goes a long way. This is the most incredible blue cheese. It's a gorgonzola, it's very, very ripe. I'm going to take chunks of this and just dot it around the mushrooms. Finish the pizza with a sprinkle of salt, some cracked black pepper, and a trickle of olive oil. Okay, we're going to launch the pizza into the oven. It's about 450 degrees, which is what you want. So we'll slide it in and let it cook. Make sure you turn the pizza periodically. You don't want it to burn where it's sat right by the flames. We're going to take this out, pop it on the board, cut it up and dig in. For this and other recipes, visit ooni.com.